Let me start with a simple question. If you stop working today, for the next 10 years, will your lifestyle continue the same? If your answer is no, this video is for you. Most people think financial freedom means being rich, having crores in the bank, driving luxury cars, retiring early. But the truth is very difficult. Financial freedom is not about how much you earn. It is about how independent your money makes you. In this video, I'll explain what financial freedom actually means, why most people never achieve it, the exact steps beginners should follow, and common mistakes to avoid, and a realistic mindset you must adopt. This is not motivation, this is financial clarity. So let's get started with the part number of this video. What is financial freedom? Financial freedom means you do not depend on your monthly salary to survive. Your basic lifestyle expenses are covered without stress. You work because you want to, not because you have to. Let me simplify it further. If your income stops but your life does not collapse, you are financially free. Financial freedom does not mean you stop working, you stop earning, you live without responsibility. It means choice. You can do. Say no to toxic job, take breaks without fear, handle emergencies calmly, focus on health, family and growth. That peace is financial freedom. Now I have covered the basics. What is financial freedom? Now move to the part 2. Why most people never become financially free. Let's be honest. Most people earn money their entire life but never feel secure. Why? Reason number 1 here, lifestyle inflation. Income increases but expenses also increases. Salary hike but EMI also hike. New phone, new car, bigger house but saving remains zero. People upgrade lifestyle before upgrading financial discipline. Reason number 2, no financial education. Our school teaches us math, science, history, but not budgeting, not investing, not inflation and not risk management. So people learn money lessons only after making costly mistakes. Now, reason number 3, depending only on active income. Most people have one income source. If job goes, so income goes. If health fails, so income stops. Financial freedom requires money working even when you don't. Reason number 4, fear of investing. People say, market is risky, I'll lose money, I'll start later. But they ignore the biggest risk, doing nothing. Inflation silently eats savings every year. Now move to the part 3 of this video, the 3 levels of financial freedom. Financial journey is not a switch, it's a journey. Level number 1, survival freedom. You can pay monthly bills, handle small emergencies, sleep without money anxiety. This requires emergency fund and basic budgeting. Level number 2, stability freedom. You can handle job loss for months, manage health expenses, avoid high interest debt. At this level, savings are consistent. Investments have started. Now, level number 3, complete financial freedom. Your investments generate income, your expenses are covered by mutual funds, businesses and assets. Salary become optional. This is real freedom. Now, I have covered 3 sections of this video. Now move to the section number 4. Step by step path for beginners. Now let's talk about action. Step number 1, control cash flow first. Before investing, you must know how much you earn, how much you spend, where money leaks. Simple rule, spend less than you earn. No investment works if investing is uncontrolled. Step number 2, build an emergency fund. Emergency fund is equal to 6 months of expenses. This money is for job loss, medical emergency, family crisis. Keep it as safe, liquid, easily accessible. This is your financial safety net. Step number 3, eliminate bad debt. Bad debt includes credit card dues, personal loans, buy now pay later traps. These destroy freedom. Before wealth creation, stop wealth destruction. Step number 4, start investing early. You don't need big money. You need consistency, discipline, time. Even small monthly investments started early can change your future. Key rule, time in market is bigger than timing the market. Step number 5, increase income, not expenses. Do not depend only on one job, one salary. Learn skills like build side income, create multiple streams. More income is equal to faster freedom, but only if expenses stay controlled. Part number 5, mindset shift required. Financial freedom starts in the mind. Shift number 1, think long term. Financial is not built in 1 year or 2 years. It takes patience, discipline, consistency. Shift number 2, delay gratification. You don't need everything now. Short term pleasure versus long term freedom. Choose wisely. Shift number 3, Responsibility over excuses. No one will save you financially. Not government, employer, not family. Your money is equal to your responsibility. Part number 6. Common myths about financial freedom. Myth number 1. You need high salary. Truth. Low income plus discipline beats high income plus control. Myth number 2. Only rich people invest. Truth. The truth is rich people are rich because they invest. Myth number 3. Freedom means no work. The truth is freedom means better work, not no work. So, let's summarize this. Financial freedom is not luck, not inheritance, not shortcuts. It is awareness, discipline, long-term thinking. Start small, start slow, but start today. Because the best time to work for freedom was 10 years ago. The second best time is now. If this video helped you understand money better, like it, share it, and subscribe for more simple financial education. Your future self will thank you.